Today we're going to be erecting the longest crane, the longest boom that we have ever erected in AE. Today we're going to be erecting the 120-metre main boom and the 126-metre luffing jib. This is of course a huge boom that we're hoisting here. For this purpose we need 1,500 tonnes derrick ballast and about 400 tonnes slewing platform ballast. For the first time we're using two diesel engines of 500 kilowatts capacity each on this crane. These two diesel engines drive two pump transfer gearboxes independently, to which all pumps are fitted. The pumps are connected in such a manner that you can also operate all drives with one drive unit. This has the advantage that if one unit fails, you can still operate all the drives with half the speed. It's relatively easy to build a crane that is very high and has extremely large dimensions. But to build a crane that can be distributed in such a manner that only pieces weighing 70 tonnes are formed and only parts with 4 metres width is an enormous challenge. The great static challenge in calculating the long boom systems of the LR13000, and especially with this crane, lies in the large number of fitting options and their assembly procedures. With the option of building the existing boom sections present on the crane in a variable and rigid manner, it is possible, as in this case, to erect very long booms. However, you also have the option of setting up a highly rigid boom, a P-type system, with 132 metres boom length and a 78-metre long luffing jib with the same intermediate sections, and thus to increase the load capacity to more than 300 tonnes. We pushed forward into a new dimension at Liebherr with our LR13000 crawler crane. With a maximum load capacity of 3,000 tonnes at the hook, the crane is a real power pack. On the other hand, it can be fitted with highly filigree and long systems, as you can see behind us right now. With a pulley head height of 250 metres, it is no problem at all to pull a 2-axle legendary LTM 1030-2.1 up to this height. That's a world record. And it can do even more. More than 50 tonnes with this configuration is no problem at all. This enormous flexibility of fitting it as a power pack or as a filigree long crane makes the crane highly usable and flexible at all kinds of sites. The LR13000 is a giant among crawler cranes and enables our customers to make use of new opportunities for assembly work and installation processes.